Hi guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be testing the longevity of the Born Pretty Nail Tips glue. This is air dry in the odorless type. I got this set of the nail tips glue and the nail glue remover from Born Pretty a little while ago, and I wanted to test out their glue to see how long it actually lasted on my fake Dollar Tree nails. I have a set here that is extremely old, like really old. I got this a long time ago. Do not try to look for this pattern because it is not in stores anymore. But we are going to test it to see how it adheres, how well it sticks, how long it sticks, and things like that. It is a brush on, so that's good. I like that. Let me organize these. I've already sized them clearly, but let me kind of line them up so it's easier for me to stick them on. All right. Nails lined up in the order that I'm going to place them on my hand. I have already prepped my nails. I buffed this side just lightly. I like to do that to see if the glue will hold better on a buff nail versus an unbuffed nail. My nails are in a little bit of a sad state right now because I'm trying to grow them out because I did have some gel extensions that I had them on, but I accidentally overfiled my nails, over buffed them. So I'm trying to grow that bit out. And so my nails are in some sort of a state. But I have also used some alcohol. This has alcohol in it. This isn't the actual OPI Gel Shine cleaner, but this is just regular alcohol, isopropyl alcohol. If you want to go a step further, you could always use a nail prep or a nail dehydrator. That would be your preference. Nail dehydrators do help really well to adhere glue tips, but anyways, so we are going to use the Born Pretty Nail Tips glue, air dry, and yeah, we're going to see how well it does. All right, so they are stuck on. Super easy application. Love the brush tip. It's actually a thicker consistency glue. So where you paint it is where it stays. There is no flooding or anything like that, which makes it also easy to get a nice thin coat. I also didn't have a lot of leakage around my cuticle or even in the back of my nail. A lot of times with other thinner glues, I get a lot of glue seeping out the back and gluing my finger to the nail, and I didn't have that. And again, it was almost instantaneous. Quick dry for the actual glue adhesion. I think they look nice. Look at how cute they are. Again, I've been saving these for a long time and I don't know why, because they are so pretty. But yeah, so this hand is buffed. That would be my left hand. This hand isn't, and I did use alcohol on them. We are going to test them out for longevity now. Application was a breeze. So now I will come back in hopefully a week to see how long the nail glue has lasted. And hopefully I have some of my nails left. But yeah, now we're going to be testing longevity. But as far as application, actual adhesion goes, 10 out of 10, can't complain. And also no irritate. Like I don't have any irritation. I was going to say irritants, but I don't have any irritation on my nails or anything like that, even with them being pretty thin in that over-filed area. There was no irritation or anything. It feels super comfortable. All right, so I will be back in a week. Today is Wednesday, April 22nd, 21st. I'm not really quite sure. I'm on my phone, so I don't know the date. The 22nd, Wednesday, April 22nd. So we will come back next Wednesday and see how long the nail glue lasted. Okay, guys, we didn't make it very long. We only have one survivor. It is Sunday, the 25th. 24th, 25th. And I think I put these on, Wednesday, the 21st. So a couple things. This nail in particular did not even last a night. Most of the nails lasted until like Friday, and then that's when the majority of them started to pop off. A lot of them did not survive like the first shower, but they did survive the first few hand washings. So the Born Pretty nail tip air dry glue, probably good for a special occasion, especially if you prep your nails right, like really buff them, dehydrate them, and give like the glue something really to grip onto. However, for long-term use, probably not the best, most secure glue that you're going to use because again, it barely even lasted 3 or 4 days. When I first applied them, though, the nail tip glue from Born Pretty felt very secure and it felt very comfortable and it didn't feel uncomfortable. And I really liked the applicator. So this obviously wouldn't be at the top of my recommendations in terms of longevity, but as a potential like purse glue, or if you're just looking for a glue because you don't wear press-ons for like extended periods of time, this is a very affordable option. However, it does take a while to get to you if you're buying it directly from the site. There's other better glues out there like the Ioni from the Dollar Tree that you can get at the store immediately. I know in terms of longevity, this wasn't the best. However, I do like it in terms of applicator consistency and comfortability, because not all nail glue feels the same on the nail. So pluses and minuses, pluses and minuses. I am a little disappointed that they didn't last longer. Just my lonely pinky, which is coming off. Ugh, as you can see. So, wheat womp. It is what it is. We'll try again with some other brand of glue. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, give it a big old thumbs up. As always, please be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification button so you don't miss out on any more videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.